What is up, guys? I've got a short amount of time here, so I'll be quick with it. My GoPro is going to be charging while we do the teardown, but today's video is all about breaking down the Crazycart here and getting the brushless motor on it. And for the first time testing the brushless motor of my own. And it might be wet, it might rain, it might not, we'll see. But yeah, look forward to that. Super stoked to go 35 on the Crazycart. We're gonna get it all dialed in, and we'll be ripping by the end of the day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like down below, drop a comment. If you guys want a brushless kit, go to Charged Up on Facebook, or believe he has a YouTube channel as well, Charged Up by Jeremy Maddox. He's the creator of this kit, the designer, programmer, and importer of all the goods. So get with him, and he's a great guy. He'll help you set it up. You guys can use this video for reference if you need. And hope you enjoy.
I want to set that up, but you can also set up like halfway on the throttle, so the back half is brake,
yeah,
and then just like a Tesla is.
Right. So that you can kind of coast and
stop.
Engine brake, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what up, you guys? We're here with my dude, Jeremy. Shout out Charged Up.
What's that?
Probably put it like right here. Anyways, you already know what's going on. I've been talking about it for probably 6 videos now, because I still gotta post like the next 3. But 3 videos as of the making of this video. Anyways, the brushless kit. And because you know your boy's impatient, and obviously they went like hotcakes, Jeremy saved one for me, and he's actually giving me the setup that he was using himself. So there you go. Right off the rip, it's gonna be ready to rip. It's gonna be sick. Didn't mean to rhyme that one, but it worked out. What is up, you guys? So we've got the brushless mounted up. We're gonna be throwing the wheels, steering wheel and drive wheel back on. And then it's ready to rip, and the rain just stopped, so shoot. Ain't nothing in our way. But yeah, I'm gonna charge this up a little bit so we get some more ripping time on the camera. See you guys when it's done.
You want to download the VSC tool app? It is $4 though. But it is very worth it.
Breaking my bank, bro. Yeah, I'll download it. Alright, y'all. So as you can see, it's a lot later. We ran into some minor issues, but here's the thing. We only had as many problems as we gave ourselves. If we had just thought a little more simply about the problem at first, we would have realized it's a simple washer adjustment. And then we would have been back on track, and we wouldn't have made all the different mistakes that we made and caused ourselves to take more time. So don't worry, just because it's later for us doesn't mean it's going to be later for you guys. Also, the reason we're doing this today is to make sure we get all the kinks out so Jeremy here can provide you guys with the best how-to on your Crazycart, because every Crazycart is going to be slightly different. If you look in the manuals, it'll tell you that the measurements vary 3 to 5 millimeters because of human error while measuring, or whatever. I don't know exactly what it says, but that's the deal. So while the bracket is universal for Crazycarts, the gapping that you need for your sprocket might be a little off. All it is as you see here, a washer there and a few washers here. Not a big deal. You saw it here first, folks. The brushless cart is up and running, Bluetooth tunable right here, okay? Nobody's got this yet. Jeremy had it. Maybe some random dude that posted from Florida claimed to have it, but he used a scooter brushless motor. Or not a scooter. Yeah, an electric scooter brushless motor. So, you know, he's very limited there. As far as kits produced for you, charged up. Which, by the way, I definitely need a sticker now. I'll buy it. Actually, shit, I should have told you. Alrighty, y'all. So we took the electric car to get the electric cart on the first test run. First official test run. Y'all about to see that now. Brushless motor on what used to be the stock with the single unit battery unit. It's gonna have to get a new name now because it's not at all stock. I used to call this the stock cart because it didn't have any add-ons to it.
That's how mine was. And then I literally just brushless. I just left my XL cart alone. I still haven't touched my XL cart though, so.
I thought you had Tanner's XL cart.
No, I'm saying I got an XL motor swap.
Oh, you call it the XL cart.
Mm-hmm.
Right, I got you. I was like, I thought you were just fabbing up the XL stuff.
I've had an XL once before, but
I want an XL.
I don't like them.
Why?
They're too big on the sidewalks and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm trying to like swerve in between people and shit.
Downtown it probably would be a little too big. But somewhere like on a park where you're on the trails and stuff.
Yeah, they're definitely way more comfy. But...
I just need the caster upgrade so that I can ride on the rougher pavement and not fucking...
Have you tried the hockey pucks before?
Yeah. I had a pair of the Amazon ones, whatever those are.
No, there's the ones that Razor makes that are actually called
Yeah,
hockey.
yeah, the puck, puck.
I didn't know they sold them on Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't remember what the price is, but yeah, I tried them out on my 36 volt. Back when this was it. This was the cart. It had a 36 volt on it. Stock SEC, stock motor, 36 volt, EV4, jack whatever, battery. Fucking... I think they just fell apart after like 2 or 3 runs. And I was like, the ripstick. The ripstick wheels lasted way longer for me than that.
Really?
So I was just like, yeah.
I've been running the pucks for months.
Well, my buddy had the ripstick wheels and they only lasted him, like I said, he went through both of his wheels yesterday in just a couple of hours. So I don't know if, because my ripstick was from my childhood, I don't know if they just made products better back then. I didn't used to wrap it this way. I used to put it out here, but I didn't have room to put it in here before. So I'm finding a new way to wrap it. Oh shit. That's solid.
At least it doesn't go forward. And you have to wait like 5 seconds before it actually turns on. Like you can't hit the throttle as soon as you plug it in. Maybe more than 5 seconds.
Don't they, bro? And like I said, they lasted hours and they were not even hot.
Like he got one, so.
And they're the ripstick styles. They carve really well. Oh, you gotta get some. They have red, orange, pink, white, and blue. Yeah, bro. Get the pink ones. I wanted to get the pink ones, but I was like, I don't have a pink cart.
My cart ain't no color.
Nah, but if you painted it, you could just do accents of pink and then do it on the black sparkle and it would look sick.
That's how my drones are, so when I lose them in trees and shit,
oh,
the
easy.
pink just like
yeah.
out.
I love that like hot pink, Pepto-Bismol pink, and I also like UV purple. You know what I mean? Like any like almost matte with a shine, matte purple with a shine. You know what I mean? Where it's not cleared, but it's got a little bit of like almost a metallic purple looking. Love it, dude. You wanna ride it?
Yeah.
I'll ride it. Shit, I'm an idiot. I'm not an idiot, I just fucked up. Yeah.
Like any down the hill.
Really?
Like you
Because
gotta
it
ride
coasts so well.
You gotta ride it down the hill. It coasts so much better. Like I swear this coasts better than mine because your sprockets align better than mine was.
You think so?
I think so.
Those light up wheels do go hard.
Hell,
I don't know if I dropped my hand or not. I did. I was worried, dude. It just got you rolling over. Yeah, actually, shit.
No, I just kinda got it.
Yeah. I'm like, bro. I was like, cause I was here and I was like, no.
I hit about like the fire hydrant. I was like, I really gotta hit the throttle. I hit the throttle and it just like, I was like,
I heard it. I was like, no, bro.
If it wasn't wet, I probably would have had it.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, let's see you rip it some more.
I will. Kind of worried about the battery now that you told me that. The light up wheels though, they go hard, bro.
That's what my junk orange batteries are.
What is that?
30 amp.
Oh, okay. I thought the orange batteries were good.
For the price that I bought them at, $50.
Damn. I paid probably $150 for this.
I bought mine when they were 3 years old though. They're 5 years old now.
Yeah. And you said, like, I mean, I know I've watched prices go up, but you said it was even crazier the way they were going up before. All right, let me rip this sheet. I didn't hit the throttle the whole way down. That's fucking sick.
And the controller has lights in it, and since you got the clear case, you can fucking see the lights.
Oh, hell yeah. I knew that's what you wanted. I know you wanted it fucking.
Dude, I think there's so much more to it.
That's a good one. I like to see
That should be the chain acting funky.
like over that speed, it's smooth.
It might just be low sprocket bouncing around since there's no tensioning. But whenever it gets speed, it.
You know what? You might be right because I'm not putting throttle. There's nothing to pull it over.
There's
It's
nothing to give
just
it
sitting
tension.
in the middle of that chain. Yeah, I think you're right about that one.
Because I think our XL motor hurts.
So yeah, fucking super pleased with this brushless kit, dude. Super easy. Hold on. Super easy to install once we figured out our little trick there, which isn't anything special, it's just spacing with washers. Did we just witness this dry up?
You're good.
I think. Did we just witness this whole thing dry up? Because it was wet when we pulled over here. Well, I was until I fucking hit that. Now I'm wrong. God damn it. On that? Why?
It's on its second.
Oh, really?
First one was like 5 years.
Oh, really? The bolts are like that? Right?
Fucking 2 weeks now.
You're right, you're right.
It's your turn.
Yeah?
You want to open the app? And we can
Yeah, absolutely. Because that is done down right now for sure.